Well, we did it. We made it to Florida safe and sound with the Mazda and the MT-07 and a trailer all in one piece. In the United States, the Mazda 3 hatchback is not rated for towing, but in every other country that this car is sold, towing totally fine. I basically wanted to walk you guys through the whole trailer setup, although it's not much, and just kind of explain what I did, so if you're thinking about trailering stuff with your own Mazda, then this is how I did it. I'll have all the different components of this setup listed in the description for you guys. So my motorcycle, the MT-07, is about 6 feet 7 inches in length, so it didn't fit in a standard 4x6 trailer, so I bought a 5x8. This is the 5x8 trailer from Carry On. Alright, we did it, boys! We officially have our trailer. My friend Edgar is actually going to help me tow it back to my place because I don't have a hitch on the car yet, so goodbye trailer, I'll see you soon. It came standard with a 2-inch ball adapter, and the hitch that I have installed on the Mazda is by Draw Tight. It's a class 1 hitch. The receiver there is 1¼ inch, so I got a 1¼ inch Euro style hitch to kind of lift it off the ground, because if you can see, the clearance is a little bit low, and I do have to kind of wrap the chains a little bit around the adapter here so that they don't drag on the ground. Alternatively, I was thinking to bungee cord them in place. That's another option. If you have the proper tools and you can get your car off the ground, you can actually install this hitch on your own. You don't have to take it to a shop, but I did take mine to a shop to get it professionally installed, and that was around $180. And then I also had them wire the lights in. Now for this trailer spare tire, I decided to just leave it in the trunk. I didn't want to have extra weight on the trailer that I didn't really need to have. Spicy Boy, my MT-07, is 400 pounds. The trailer is 400 pounds as well. I would say the wheel chock's probably another 25. I just have him strapped down 4 points right around the forks here. There's a part of the frame that I can put a strap on, and then for the rear straps, these are from Stockton. I have them around the passenger pegs, and that seems to work just fine for me. And basically the same setup on the other side. He's looking good on here. The wheel chock is by Trackside. Honestly, it seems like the 2 straps in the front may even be overkill because that wheel chock holds him so well in place. Alright, I've been driving for about an hour now. Everything seems good. Spicy Boy is pretty sturdy on there. The trailer's done good over potholes and stuff like that so far, so we'll see. We made it to Virginia so far. So good, no problems. So let's keep going. Alright, another quick rest stop, and about 2 hours later, still going strong. Let's keep going. Stuck in a pretty bad lightning storm. I feel bad for Spicy Boy out there, but I pulled over because there's no way. Lightning was striking the other side of the highway. I was like, alright, I'm done, I'm getting up. Oh, there it is. Yeah, basically 1,000 miles down to Florida with this setup. So the Mazda can actually tow 1,322 pounds. That's 600 kilograms if you're using a trailer without brakes. This one is without brakes. So you can actually tow a good amount of stuff with the Mazda. It's not as feeble as it looks. So that means 600 kilograms, including the weight of the trailer, anything you're putting on the trailer, and also the weight of the cargo in the car, including myself. So all that came to about 1,050 pounds. Under the limit of what the Mazda can do, and I actually have to say I had no trouble. I didn't really feel like the car was slow. I didn't feel like the transmission was being weird. This is a 2015 Mazda 3 5-speed automatic transmission. I didn't feel like the brakes were weird. There were no situations in which I thought, oh my god, my brakes are gonna get too hot and I'm gonna lose braking power. I think it did really good. I did really try not to go above 62 miles an hour. That is what the manual recommends if you're towing anything. Don't go above 100 kilometers an hour. 62 miles an hour, and I did try to obey that for the most part. There was really only a couple times where I went above that to pass some slower trucks, and it had no issues doing passes either. I didn't ever hit above 70 miles an hour during a pass, and so I can't speak for how well it does above 70 miles an hour. At the rate I was going 62 miles an hour, it really no problem. I didn't feel like I was holding traffic down. Pretty much the road down from Pennsylvania to Florida is 3 or 4 lane highway for a lot of it, so just stay in the slow lane and you'll be fine. I was a little bit panicky just because, you know, at least in the United States, you don't really see people towing anything with a hatchback. A lot of people just end up getting just trucks, pickup trucks to tow. And this seemed like not the optimal solution for me since I had a perfectly functional car and I love this Mazda so much. It's my little baby. So I wanted to see, you know, if it was possible to just do it with the Mazda, and it is. It was kind of funny to go on the highway and see like all these big pickup trucks with class 3 hitches installed on them and not towing anything, and I'm like, yeah, this is the little Mazda that could. I don't need a pickup truck to do this. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you're trying to tow with your Mazda, just know that you can absolutely do it, and I had no problems doing it. Good luck. I'll see you in the next one.